Have you ever heard of olive leaf extract and how it can improve your health? Today, we're talking to Richard Hall, one of the founders of olive leaf extract. Welcome to another episode of View on Health. I'm Kristen Lascola, and I'm here with Head of Research and Development, Richard Hall. So Richard, I have heard a lot about a pretty powerful supplement called olive leaf extract and its ability to fight pathogens and some amazing health benefits that it brings with it. Can you tell us today about olive leaf extract and what it can do for our bodies?
So Kristen, I don't know how much time we have to talk about this subject, but olive leaf extract was written on back in 1995 by Dr. Morton Walker, who was a medical writer. I've been with olive leaf extract coming to market since 1989, and the benefits are numerous. Just to give you a short list, this particular type of supplement can lower your cholesterol, lower your triglycerides, lower your blood pressure a little bit, can clean up your cardiovascular system. It has the ability to kill a lot of different types of bacteria, and if you cold process it like we do, can kill some virus, which is a pretty amazing thing in this day and age.
Yeah, everybody's looking for an immunity boost and everyone's very concerned about their health and preventative measures. So how does olive leaf extract work? Because you name so many different, our cardiovascular system, our immunity system. How does it work?
Sure. It's not a catch-all so much as that it does one thing very well. It converts the oleuropein molecule in your stomach to a linoleic acid. And a linoleic acid just happens to kill a host of bad bacteria that floats around your system.
Does it preserve the good bacteria? Because I think we've talked on a previous episode, I'm always worried about, we want to keep our good gut flora thriving and we want the bad stuff obviously to disappear. So does it only attack the bad bacteria?
There's only been one test performed, and it was performed with yogurt and in a petri dish, unfortunately, and not in the human body. Because I know that this product comes from woody stemmed plants, and all woody stemmed plants contain tannins. Tannins will eat up some of the flora in your stomach. So I always recommend that people would take something like yogurt or something like that to refresh their flora in their gut after they take a supplement like this. But the benefits of olive leaf extract outweigh any of the negatives that could ever possibly happen. There are very few side effects from olive leaf extract. And in fact, when they tested it over 500 times a normal, what they call an LD50, that's where 50% of something would kill something, it was completely safe as water.
Wow.
But there's a secret to olive leaf extract. In the oleuropein molecule, it has stereochemistry. And if you don't have both sides of the stereochemistry, it'll be good as a bacterial side, killing certain bacteria and fungus, but it won't kill virus. And that's what Bill Fredrickson did with his thesis paper at Purdue University. He found out how to keep that alive. And so we were lucky enough to be right in the beginning with 3 other people on making olive leaf extract in the United States. And we use his method in production of olive leaf. So that ours is an antiviral.
So have you seen from some people who have bought olive leaf extract and are users of it, what benefits have you seen from them? What feedback have they given you about this?
There are a lot of people who have had problems for years. One lady had tuberculosis who lived in Canada for 22 years, and after about 9 months of taking olive leaf, she didn't have tuberculosis anymore.
Wow.
In Dr. Morton Walker's book, he says that olive leaf is a natural antibiotic. And that's a good thing to know, because most antibiotics, once they run their course, you have to take a higher one. With olive leaf extract, you don't have to go to the next antibiotic. This works all the time.
So is it safe to take every day?
You can take it every day. In fact, many people do. Some people will pulse it. They'll take it every other day. Some people will take it before they get on airplanes. Some people will take it before they go to a doctor's office, just to have that little extra measure of safety.
Got it. Well, I know I want to learn a lot more about olive leaf extract. I feel like we only scratched the surface today, but thank you so much for starting the conversation on this little known supplement. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.